اتوبان صیاد، بیمارستان نیرو دریایی، بیمارستان نیرو دریایی زد همین الان. اول فصل
Here is Tehran, Iran's capital, where the sounds of explosions continue to echo through parts of the city and tensions remains high. In a significant message, Iran's supreme leader declared that this war has been imposed on us and firmly stated that Iran will never surrender. Millions of residents have begun evacuating the city. Long lines at Gaza station, especially on the outskirts, reflect the growing anxiety as people try to flee possible danger zones. Despite the escalating situation, the Iranian government's response in terms of public services has so far been notably strong. Essentially, utilities, water, gas, electricity, and medical care continue without interruption, ensuring a degree of stability in the middle of chaos. Internet access remains available, though it is limited and disrupted in some areas, a likely response to security concerns, of course. Still, daily life has been deeply affected, and uncertainty about what lies ahead weighs heavily on people's minds. It is almost near us. It was in the northeast or east of Tehran. Yeah, you can listen. Another explosion, another big explosion hit Tehran right now.